Hey guys, I haven't posted. This is blah, 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 blah. I'm posting this because I haven't posted all week. I noticed this morning that I got 2 more subscribers. Wherever you two are, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I don't know how you found me, but I think it was from the comment I posted on that lilac video of Holy Diver. You guys are probably from there. But, welcome to my channel for you two, whoever you are. Right now, there's a snowstorm coming through. No, I'm not in Michigan or that bit of Wisconsin that's getting hit or that bit of Illinois. We got a snowstorm coming through here in the panhandle of Nebraska, so yeah, I'm basically in the heartland of the United States right now. But, I was born in the panhandle and raised here, and I've come to get used to the weather here. Except I hate the cold winters, 'cause sometimes it gets below zero, which sometimes sucks if you're like me and you're sensitive and like to keep toasty. I was born in winter, so I should be at least used to it, but apparently I'm not. Okay, if you see that, I forgot to change it, oops. I'm so busy. Well, the reason I have that up so I can remember everybody's birthdays, Polly's has already passed. He was in June, so I forgot to pass. Been so busy over the summer, I got a summer job. So, gotta change it. Ringo's has already passed and John's, so next up is Georgie's and mine. Okay, it's kind of difficult to hold my phone, which I'm recording with, while pressing the push pin into the wall. Don't mind the phone shaking, it's just me trying to push the pin in. There, that'll work. The other day, yesterday, I read an article. That was posted on the 29th of last month. For those of you who don't know, that's the 20th anniversary of George Harrison's death. I remember reading one part of where he said, I have a son now, and I need to be there for him as long as I can, and because I can't remember after that. Then I read a part that kind of shocked me a little bit. That he didn't want people to be unhappy, thought it was a waste of life, and that he could light up a room and make you smile. I wasn't able to find those parts again, so I don't know if I was just seeing things or I put those there. Someone put those, or I saw them, and apparently I think Georgie wanted me to see that. Which kind of proved of what I could tell he was like. Sometimes I look at a picture taken of him from, like, any time, and, 80s, 90s, 2001, last year there was pictures taken of him, and the 60s, and 70s, I could see that, I can look at those still eyes and then look into him as if I was looking him face to face if he was here in front of me. And, I may have not known him because he was, as I said in one of my earlier videos, that he died 4 years before I was even came into existence. But, I can see that kind of person when I looked at pictures of him, Yes, I kind of have a weird obsession over boys, but that's not such a bad thing. And my mom said here Tuesday that I'm weird about it. I mean, it's kind of hard not to deny that because there's evidence everywhere in my room, basically. And the way I turn red when I see the rock, so. But, Paul, the honey, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not very good with, very many foreign words that don't run through my DNA. I don't understand Indian, not the Native American Indian, the continent, India. But I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, so you might want to correct me on that one. So hopefully, you can correct me on that there. Tell me how to pronounce it, please. But if either one of you run across this video, kind of got a few questions to ask. Why does your dad need so many guitars? And hey, Paul, can we do a concert sometime? I know I may be a little crazy right now, but I've never really said that on video, but I noticed that you invited fans up on your stage during your concerts, and I think that'd be neat. Saw a picture of you hugging one of those fans, and because I read the poster, it said, "You mean everything to me," and then I saw a hug, and that was it. So I'm guessing she probably put on there, "Can I please have a hug?" I'm thinking the same thing too. But if either one of you find this video, both of you might want to check out my tribute video to Harrison. And both of you should know who I'm talking about. There's two. But I haven't posted all week, so thought I better get this out there. I'll post tomorrow.